Hey, it's Aaron. If you're watching this right now, you might be checking out WeBull, and maybe you're wondering, is this a good trading platform for you to invest and make money with, or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it all out. Anytime if you want to get my favorite way to get to 10,000 US dollars a month or more, 100% from home using the internet, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, all sorts of different apps, websites, and strategies. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, so let's check out WeBull to find out whether this is a good way for you to make money online, or maybe it's a big waste of time. Maybe there are better ways out there, okay? Now, WeBull is a very popular trading platform. It is fairly new compared to a lot of the other competitors out there, but it is a very, very cool platform, and we're going to check it out today, all right? Now, they are available in specific countries. They're not available all over the world, but in some of the big markets like Australia, Hong Kong, Mexico, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, South Africa, Thailand, the UK, and of course, the US, all right? So if you're in one of these markets, then you'll be able to use WeBull. If you're not in one of those markets, unfortunately, you won't be able to, but you might be able to use one of the other big trading platforms if you want. Now, these guys compete against some of these guys right here, okay? You may have heard of them, Interactive Brokers, which I personally use, eToro, eTrade, SoFi, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, Merrill Edge, Fidelity, Moomoo, right? So these are some of the big ones right here, and they actually compete really, really well. We'll talk about that in a second, right? So I'm on the US website right now, and I think the biggest thing to talk about is their fees, all right? Because there are a lot of platforms out there that are actually really expensive. For example, I just did a review of eToro, and eToro is great for beginners, but the problem with eToro is the charges are really high, all right? So eToro came out a long time ago, and they were really, really huge. They had some really cool ads, and a lot of people were flocking to eToro, but eToro is expensive, all right? Nice thing about a lot of the new platforms, especially WeBull, is that it's really, really affordable. All right, so they charge zero commissions for online trades, mainly for the US market. All right, so if you're based in the US and you're using it to trade US stocks, all right, it's basically free. They don't charge you anything, which is really, really cool. Now, if you're in other markets, like Australia, like Malaysia, like Singapore, like Mexico, for example, like the UK, they have different charges, okay, depending on where you are in the world. So I'll just give you an example. So for example, if you're based in Malaysia, all right, if you're, going to be trading on the local stock exchange in Malaysia, like Bursa Malaysia, there is a 0.08% fee. Okay, so for example, if you were to trade $100, then you would be charged 8 cents. It's really, really little, all right? Now, in other markets, it's 0.05%. So it's just about 5 cents, right? If you trade $100. So regardless of whether you're trading in the US or in a different market like Australia or Singapore or Japan, the fees are very, very low. All right, so for every stock that you buy, it's very, very low. There is also a forex charge as well. All right, so if you're trading from, for example, Japanese yen into US dollars or Singapore dollars into US dollars, there is a forex charge of 35 basis points, which is basically 0.35%. So it would be, for example, if you traded $100, there'll be a forex fee of 35 cents. It's really, really low, okay? So not a big deal. I mean, compared to some of these other trading platforms, which are much, much more expensive, WeBull keeps it super duper cheap, which I think is really cool. But the other thing that's really cool as well is that if you join, there is a free promotion for about 6 months, 180 days, depending on the market, okay? So they range from 3 months to 6 months for free. That means no charges, okay? They will have your, normal charges for example, the SEC, for example, regulatory charges are always there, but this is very normal for all platforms. You can't get away from that, okay? But they're super duper low. I mean, they are ridiculously low, something to not even worry about, but I thought I'd just mention it. That's very normal for all trading platforms to have an SEC charge. That's very, very normal, okay? Now, what can you trade on WeBull? Okay, now they do a lot of different things, which is really, really cool. They do stocks, international stocks, US stocks, right? Options, index options, futures, ETFs, OTCs. They do REITs, they do structured warrants, they do derivatives. They have basically everything that you pretty much need if you want to trade financial instruments, which is very, very cool, okay? Now, what do I like about WeBull? Okay, so the thing I like about WeBull, first of all, it's very cheap, okay? And for the markets that they're in, they allow you to trade, generally speaking, the local stocks of that particular country. So if you're based in Australia, Australian stocks. If you're based in Hong Kong, Hong Kong stocks. If you're based in Malaysia, Malaysian stocks. But of course, you can also trade US stocks as well, all right, which are some of the biggest stocks in the world. So if you want to get access to big stocks like Tesla or, Arista Networks or whatever it is, you can trade them through WeBull, which is really, really cool, okay? Now, another thing that I really like about WeBull is their features that are not available on a lot of other trading apps, right? So some of those features are their feed. They have sort of a feed like a social network feed, which is really cool. A lot of other trading platforms don't have this. So they have a lot of educational posts, especially if you're a beginner, you're just getting started with trading. They've got a lot of free training that will teach you how to trade, how to understand, how REITs work, or how a stock works, or how ETFs work, the different strategies that you can implement, which is really cool. But not only that, on the social feed, as you're working through the feed, right, there are free tips that, basically the whole community will be posting. There will be basically different trading groups that you can join for free. Join a group of people that are in specific types of strategies so that you can learn how to become a better trader, right? There's a lot of trending information, okay? They have very, very detailed stock analysis. And what I do really like about WeBull as well is that the interface is really, really nice, all right? It's, even though they are quote unquote fairly new compared to some of these other, people that have been in the market for a long time, like eToro, for example, like eTrade, for example, their interface is really awesome and very easy to trade, whether you're a beginner trader or you're an experienced day trader. It doesn't really matter at all, okay? Buying options, really decent. Limit orders, market price, stop losses, and stop limits as well. Everything that you need to make really, really good trades, whether you're, again, an advanced trader or you're a beginner trader, okay? They also have level 2 advanced trading. That's, again, for people that are, doing this on a daily basis. Maybe you're making full-time income from trading and you want to check out WeBull. That is for you. If you're a beginner, you don't have to worry about that. Just understand that they've got some super duper advanced trading options as well on here, okay? So overall, I think WeBull is really awesome, all right? If you're looking for a trading platform and you want to buy different financial, assets like, stocks, options, index options, futures, ETFs, OTC, whether you are buying to hold for the long term or you want to, become a day trader and learn to generate a lot of income by buying and selling stocks and funds and different financial instruments and derivatives, I think WeBull is really, really cool. Another cool thing is you can just head up to the promotion tab right here, depending on your country, right? And I do recommend this so that you can just see what they have. You can basically sign up and get 20 free fractional shares just for investing or depositing as little as $500, all right, and maintaining that for 30 days, okay? And you'll get the 20 free fractional shares, which is pretty darn cool because nobody's really doing that right now, all right? So if you want to check out WeBull, I think WeBull is a very cool platform, especially if you're interested in trading stocks, right? If you want to trade stocks, ETFs, hold it for the medium term, hold it for the long term. I like holding it for the long term. That's my strategy. Some people want to learn to become day traders. That's a lot more time investment. You have to learn how to do that. You have to be at your computer at least a few hours a day. You can make, good money that way. You can also lose money. So just be careful, all right? The thing that I would say about WeBull is that it's a great platform, but you do have to understand that this is investments, right? So you need a bit of capital in order for you to get started. You have to buy into different stocks, into ETFs, into different REITs, for example, and you have to hold it for a specific amount of time before you sell them in order to generate either a profit or a loss. All right, so this is investing. This is not a way for you to, generate money quickly. I mean, yes, you can generate income on a day-to-day basis if you learn to become a day trader, but you do have to understand that you have to learn that skill set, and it is quite a difficult skill set to learn. All right, for the most part, for the average beginner, this is a great way to get in, buy some, great, stocks out there, some really, big stocks like Google or Amazon or Tesla, right? And it's a great way to get into the market and hold, I would say, for the medium to long term, because generally that's a good way for you to play and generate more income. But yes, you do need a budget and you do need a bit of capital to invest, because investments always require you to do that, right? So if you want to check it out and you understand, that it is you're going to take on a little bit of risk when you do invest, then definitely check out WeBull for your specific country. If you're in Australia, Hong Kong, Mexico, Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, South Africa, Thailand, the UK, or the US. I hope you enjoyed this review of WeBull. But if you're here watching this video right now, if this is the first time on my channel, I have reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online, right? Everything from investing to different business models, to setting up businesses online, to paid websites, to different paid apps, things like that. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And out of all the strategy that I've tried, I've invested a lot of my own money into testing these different strategies. There's one strategy that I used to completely quit my job in 2019. I actually 5 times my old corporate salary. I make multiple 5 figures from this strategy. I think it's a great strategy for beginners, especially if you've never made money online before. If you're interested in learning more about that and learning that step by step, I've got a free masterclass. Just click the link all the way at the bottom and you can access that if you would like. All right. I hope you enjoyed this review of WeBull, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.